Third game of a 4-game set, the Tigers and Rays. Detroit has taken the first two. Top of the second inning, we're scoreless. First and second, 2 men down. Blake Snell pitching. Jose Iglesias will drive in Jared Saltalamacchia. 1-0 Tigers. It'll stay that way until the bottom of the fourth. Justin Verlander starting for Detroit. Runner on third, 1 out. Evan Longoria lifts a sacrifice fly to left. Logan Forsythe scores. We're tied up at 1. Top of the fifth, still tied up at 1. Ian Kinsler lifts a solo home run to left off of Snell. 15th of the year for Kinsler, home run number 199 in his career. Bottom of the fifth, Oswaldo Arcia strikes out against Verlander, breaking his bat over his knee. The next batter, Kurt Casale, also down on strikes. 3-2 Tigers into the bottom of the ninth. Brandon Guyer facing Francisco Rodriguez. He bounces out to third. Game ends. 3-2 Detroit. The Tigers make it 5 in a row. They're 43-38 at the midway point of the season. The Rays lose their 15th out of their last 17 games. Detroit looks for the 4-game series sweep on Sunday. They'll throw Mike Pelfrey against the Rays' Chris Archer.